Expressions quiz actions. It tests comprehension of common English expressions used to describe particular actions or behavior. Read each sentence and chose the answer with the closest meaning to the words in italics. Number 1. My wife's doctor will keep me posted on her condition while I'm away. A. Post me the bills. B. Keep me informed. C. Email any updates. Keep me posted means letter B. Keep me informed. Number 2. Barry kills 2 birds with 1 stone by exercising while he's watching the news. A. Achieves 2 goals at the same time. B. Does 2 things with 1 action. C. Uses half the number of stones. Answer is letter A. Kills 2 birds with 1 stone means achieves 2 goals at the same time. Number 3. The vice president will hold the fort while the president oversees. A. Control the military. B. Take over temporarily. C. Overthrow the government. Answer is letter B. Hold the fort means take over temporarily. Number 4. Protesting peacefully is fine, but using violence is going too far. A. Unnecessary. B. Impossible. C. Unacceptable. Answer is going too far means unacceptable. Number 5. The exams are next week, so you had better start studying. A. Could. B. Have to. C. Should. Had better means should. Number 6. If you bide your time, you'll end up getting a better deal. A. Wait for the right time to act. B. Act immediately. C. Wait too long before acting. Bide your time means letter A. Wait for the right time to act. Number 7. If you accuse your colleagues of corruption, you'll be going out on a limb. A. Supported by some people. B. Supported by everyone. C. Supported by no one. Answer is going out on a limb means supported by no one. Number 8. James is getting too big for his boots. Someone should put him in his place. A. Too self-important. B. Too overweight. C. Too popular. Too big for his boots means letter A. Too self-important. Number 9. If Gotham City needs help, Batman swings into action and saves the day. A. Takes no action. B. Immediately takes action. C. Dreams of taking action. Swings into action means letter B. Immediately takes action. And number 10, last item. After Star Wars was a hit, lots of other studios got in on the act and made epic sci-fi movies. A. Followed the trend. B. Started a new trend. C. Resisted the trend. Got in on the act means letter A. Followed the trend. So this video ends here about expressions quiz. Thanks for watching.